Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this session in which we will discuss about the calculation pertaining to the times. It means in which the times are involved. Uh, 0 hour, 15 minutes, 30 seconds added into 1 minute and 25 seconds. So how Excel will add it, how to do it in Excel, right? And also how to take the averages. If there are two dates or times, and you want to take an average of it. So how to do this in Excel? This is going to be this demonstrated. Very interesting video it will be. So please stay with us. So in our previous videos, we have been talking about the YT Studio dashboard analytics, and we have been using VBA automation to customize the reports as the report which is in front of you, right? So there are four modes in which the report is executed. Uh, the first is for views, the other is for watch time, the third one is our today's topic, that is average view duration. So that is, of course, some hours, some minutes, some seconds, right? And the earnings. So all the other three, except this average view duration, are the normal counting, and they can be summed up normally, and uh, uh, you can use it in a normal fashion. But the average cannot be added to get the total of the average. So you have to perform an average. And when it's a matter of using the times, how to use that time into the computation. So this is our today's topic. So let's uh, go to report number 3 here. This is going to place a formula in here, which is actually, since we have entered 3, so this is going to be performed in here. Okay. So these are the D3 and D4 are the two timings of which we are doing the computation. So let's bring it separately so that uh, uh, we go to the whiteboard to show you that this is the time. Okay, so we have to, now if we want to sum it, if we total it, so it won't allow us to, it won't give you the desired result by simple total, right? As we do for the views, as we do for the watch time, as we do. So, but for this sort of, what is the difference? The difference is that those are numeric values. Views are numeric values, right? Till 1300 views, 25 views. These are all the numeric. These can be total, right? But but this one is text, and text can't be total like this. So it is returning you zero, right? Wrong answer is returning. So how to get it total? So first of all, you have to convert these text into the time value, right? So the formula is the time value, and then you enter the cell reference in here and click here. That's the percent. So this is the time value, okay? And click on. Since these are now numericalized, now they are numbers, right? So these can be summed. Now you can sum it in here, so it is going to get you the result. But uh, this is not readable for us, so we want the such a readability. So then we have to convert this total back to the text. So we will say text. We want this to appear in our desired manner. So so we are converting this into hours, minutes, and seconds. And we close the bracket and okay, okay, yeah, okay. One bracket is there. You have to uh, close the quote cell. Okay, so enter. So this is the summation of this. Okay, it's a 3 minutes 20 seconds, right? So that is actually the total of this. So this is not direct summation of it, rather it is converting the total of it in back to the text. So this is how it is. So the sum means to total the text, you have to convert first using the time value to bring it into the calculatable element, so that that can be calculated, right? Similarly, this and this. So this is going to be totaled by normal sum formula as we do, and this is converted back to the text, right? So now the question is how we make an average of it. Right? The average is normally we say add. We cannot add this, so let's add this, right? So we start the bracket and we say this plus this, right? And what we do, divided by 2, right? So divided by 2. So this is the average. This is the average. And if we copy this formula, so this is going to bring you the average. 1 minute and 40 seconds is the average of 2 minutes 29 and 0 minutes and 51 seconds. So the average is this. Sounds okay, right? So this is how we do the average. This is how we do the summation of the timing. And one more thing, that instead of using this, you can also use average, average formula, in which you just enter these two cells, and there's no need to divide by 2 or anything. But so this is going to give you the same formula, same result, 1157. And this is the readable form conversion or into the text. So this is also conversion into text, and this is also conversion into the text. Okay. So now it will be possible for you to understand this formula. Yeah. What the formula you see, 1157. This is was the average of the last 48 hours. So 2 days are 48. So 11th of December, 10th of December. These were the 2 days, that is 48 hours, and the average of them has been is calculated correctly by this formula. And this is going on like this. Okay. So the average, to create an average, what function is being used? It is first the time value of the thing which is written in the text, time value of the second and day and convert it into the time value, right? The thing which is written in text, it has to be converted into time value, right? In D3 and D4, and then the average is being done. So the whole thing is done in one formula, right? There we showed you, we did it in multiple formula to arrive at the average. So you can do it all in one formula, right? So this was our objective to share with you. I hope it will be consumable to all of you. And let's do a quiz. This is an interesting quiz file for us. We develop it, and we have recently changed the format of this database also. Okay, so that highlights that which questions we are talking about. Right? Okay, so the chapters are listed automatically here, and you select the chapter, and the questions start coming in here. So now the quiz is: which of the following command is the right way of computing average of the 2 days totals? 2 days totals, total view duration, which are entered as text values. 2 days total view duration has been entered as a text value in cell D3 and D4, respectively. So which of these will be the correct way of computing the average? Average of D3, D4. Yeah, this would be good, but if it is converted, it's D3, D4 is entered into the text, right? So D3 plus D4 divided by 2 cannot add, because these are text values, right? Yeah, so average D3 time value and D4 time value. That sounds good, okay? And average D3 time value plus D3, D4 time value. No, this is the wrong formula. So this is the right answer, that you have to, first of all, convert the text into the time value. That will come a numeric value, the same to the other number, and just type average. So no need to divide by 2. And so this is the right answer. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.